I'm happy to introduce you to one of our products. This is called the CSP, Concrete Steel Panel System, also known as the Econel Building System. Come on closer. I'm going to give you a quick introduction of the world's only all-in-one building system. Cement fiberboard, structural steel, concrete foam insulation as our core, another external wall of your cement fiberboard. Why is it the world's only all-in-one building system? Because again, it's your interior wall, your exterior wall, your framing structure, which is our steel. We have more internal steel. How does the system work? I'll give you a quick demonstration. You have an anchor track, you lift the panel up. We have a male and female interlocking hook system. I'll show you that in a second here. Come along this way. Our doors framed into a panel. Our electrical running in a PVC chase down the wall. You simply fish the wire down, cut a hole with an angle grinder, pop your box in, connect your electrical. A window, steel framed into the wall. Pop your window in, insulate, you're good to go. Plumbing. We have any PVC chases that could be run in, any size, up to 5 inches diameter. Schedule 80, Schedule 40, any color. That's for vent pipe, duct pipe, drain pipe, or just connection. For us, we just use PEX, we fish it right through. Pull it out, this is just an example. This is a steel quick connect fitting. Here's just a basic wall panel. Larger windows, larger doors. Those are framed with solid, hollow steel, but very strong, thick gauge steel. This is an example of something larger. Again, it works with our interlocking system. This slots right into the male and female of our system here. Chris is going to help us demonstrate real quick how the system goes together. Can we get someone over here? Okay. All right, thank you. So you'll see how quickly the system comes together. Again, we've got the steel track anchored down to your concrete slab there. Chris is going to lift the panel. 2 tools, one a crowbar, and one is a lift tool. This is how our male and female interlocking system works. They're pushing the panel over. We have a male hook. There it is. Now we bring it down. We've now just put together 2 feet of your wall. Again, this is your internal wall, your external wall, your steel structure, as well as your plumbing, your electrical, your window, your door, your base. Come over here. People ask about what about your second floor? These panels are your walls. They're your floor panels for your next floors. They're also your roof. How does that work? Well, here's an example. This is called our I-beam slot or pocket. We have another steel that comes down the center here. Simply take your I-beam, please back up a little, come take a look over here. The I-beam slots right into the hole. You put a couple screws in, you're done. How about a pitched roof, gable roof? Steel again, sits on top of the panels, anchors in with some self-drilling screws. The panels lay right across the truss. The world's only all-in-one building system. CSP, concrete steel panel, Econel building system.
Building homes faster, stronger, and cheaper.
Today, we'll also be taking you over to go see, this is an example of maybe some walls, 11 feet tall. After you put in your drywall, you'd have 10-foot ceilings here. They could be any height, up to 5 meters. If you like to go taller, we can. We simply stack the panels, okay? We're gonna be going over to a building down the block here, 4-story building, full glass front. We'll take a look at that and we'll see how the panels are used in an industrial application or a multifamily housing application, a commercial space, just the same as they would here. On that unit, I believe it was 9 workers, 21 days.
9 workers, 21 days to build it.
Let's go take a look. Thank you.